Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So, if that sounds good to you, stick around. Check it out. I got a really crazy video for you guys today. You saw the title. I want to see if you need an expensive mic to record a great vocal. Let me spoil it for you right now. You don't. So we're doing a shootout, right, between our Slate ML-1 that we use every day and the classic Sterling ST51. This is a $99 mic versus a $800 mic, and we'll shoot out the two and see which one sounds better. All right, so first of all, we're going to be using the song Man to Man that Jerry and I cooked up a couple of weeks ago on the cook up. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. And we're recording into our free template, man. If you don't have a template, go pick it up. It's down below. It's completely free. It's going to change the way that you record and mix your music really quickly, and it's going to really get you those results that you're after time and time again. So template is completely free. Check it out down below. Let's listen to these vocals. So the vocals we're about to listen to were tracked through the Slate ML-1. That's this mic right here, right? This is the more expensive mic. So we're going to listen to the vocals through this mic first, and then we'll get Jerry in the booth and we'll track through the $99 Sterling and see what we get. Let's get it.
One's my nigga, man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga? You ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Can't feed your team, then really you worthless, my nigga. Then I tell you.
All right, bet. So again, it sounds good. I mean, it's got that VVS sound, right? It sounds like what we track and what we record here. So let's see if we can kind of get close to that with this cheap mic. So let's go ahead and get Jerry in the booth and we'll get started. All right, so we're using the super cheap mic now. If you look closely, you can see Jerry Legend over in the booth, and he's recording on our $99 mic. And we're just gonna punch the first couple of bars of the verse of the song Man to Man. So let's hear it.
Cause man to man, I'm one of them ones, my nigga. Man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga?
Bet.
One's my nigga. Man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga? You ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga?
Let's hit that bar one more time.
What's really your purpose, my nigga? You ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Working, my nigga. Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Can't feed your team, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Then really you worthless, my nigga. Can't feed your team, then really you worthless, my nigga. Ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Can't feed your team, then really you worthless, my nigga. Then I tell you.
There it goes, bro. That's all I needed.
Okay. Man to man, I'm one of them ones, my nigga. Man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga?
All right, bet. So after tracking, we can clearly see there's not a huge difference between the two mics. What I'm gonna do is drag in a few of the vocals from the ML-1, and I'm gonna mix them in with the vocals from the Sterling and see if we can hear like a night and day difference between the two mics.
One's my nigga. Man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga? You ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Can't feed your team, then really you worthless, my nigga. Then I
so as you can hear, the main difference is tone. It's not a huge difference in quality. It doesn't sound cheap, anything like that. It's the tone of the mic is just different. It's like you made a different choice, not you made a cheaper choice. Now I'm going to show you how to take that $99 mic and really make it sound like something special. So let's undo what we did. We're going to go with only the $99 mic in this section. And we're going to load in our mix bus and our master bus from our full template that's available down below as well. And this mix and master bus is going to take this from sounding like a rough to a 90% there master song. You can release this right away. So let's just go ahead and load up our mix bus first. And then we'll go here and load up our master bus. Now, again, this is included in our full mix record template that you can find down below. And these bus presets, once you load them on, your song is just going to knock it. I'm going to stop talking about it. Let's listen to it now.
You ain't the I'm one of them ones, my nigga. Man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga? You ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Can't beat your team, then really you worthless, my nigga. That no Italian, shawty, you stick making a stallion.
So that you can get the sound of a multi-million-dollar studio right from where you are using the same equipment that you have. You don't need to go get a new mic. You don't need a new interface. You don't need new compressors. You don't need any of that. What you need are new skills, and I'm going to give them to you. So look, follow this guide, man. I'm teaching you guys how to record. I'm teaching you guys how to punch in. I'm teaching you guys all the tools you need. And really, if you rock with the mix and master bus, it's really going to like take that song and really just have it knock and have it punchy. That's pretty much all I got for you guys today, man. The verdict is up to you, man. Do you think that this Slate is worth, what is it? Maybe we'll just say the Slate is worth 5 times the price of this mic. Just be conservative. So do you feel like this mic is worth 5 times more than this mic based off of what it sounds like? Let me know down in the comments below, man. That's all I got for you today. Remember, if you need a free template, check out our free template down below. If you need anything, drop me a line down below. Remember, I'm VV. Remember to stay humble. Make diamonds only, man. Peace.
One's my nigga. Man to man, what's really your purpose, my nigga? You ain't the boss, then why you ain't working, my nigga? Gray color jeans, but really they purple, my nigga. Can't beat your team, then really you worthless, my nigga. That no Italian, shawty, you stick making a stallion. Money be piling, gotta run trips inside the aisle.